Hello, my dear friends. It's me, Teddy, and today we're going to have a blast drawing Woody Woodpecker together. To get started, let's focus on drawing his amazing, expressive eyes. Then, right in between those eyes, add a nice, big smiling beak. Next, let's bring Woody to life by sketching his head, complete with his trademark wild hair. Now, let's move on to his neck and the fluffy fur around it. Imagine Woody getting ready for one of his fun adventures. After that, let's draw his arms all folded up, just like he's ready to laugh at one of his own jokes. Woody needs legs too, so let's add those in with care. Don't forget about his tail. It's a key part of his charming look. And last but not least, give Woody some expressive eyebrows to show off his feelings. That's it, my friends. I hope you had as much fun drawing Woody Woodpecker as I did. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. I'll be back with more exciting drawing adventures soon. Until then, keep those creative juices flowing and happy drawing.